Helo, Rhiannon Oliver ydw I. I write poetry for children in English ac yn y Gymraeg. Leaving. We have to leave the smell in the hall. We can't pack the bumpy wallpaper or the way the back door squeaks when you lean on it. We can't take the neighbours or their cakes or the closeness of the church bells that ding-dong their wedding song on sunny Saturdays. We have to leave the sunshine that joins me on my pillow before school. We can't bring the corner garden wind and the way it sneaks past the barbecue. We have to leave and into the kitchen to tell us our sausages are ready. Love, we have to leave. Mum's voice bounces off the ceiling for the last time. We have to leave. I leave my breath in the walls and sigh goodbye to the house that will stay in my bones. Hug. Snug as a bug in a duvet thick rug, safe as a house full of dreams, smooth as a stone that swirls to the sea, polished by sinuous streams, soft as a purr, soft as kittenish fur, strong as sunbeams that displace the night. Sure as the wind blows, this one thing I know, your hug can make everything right.